Hey you guys, I want to explain to you how we are going to waterproof this shower and how we've prepped for the slope here. So we've taken away the 2x4 and we've used a foam curb, and we've taken away what you guys normally see, most people see as a conventional pan liner and mud bed system. We're no longer using that, and we get these custom foam pans made by Rodcat. Shout out to Rod, he does a really good job with these, and he can make any pan you want for curbless showers. And instead of using this conventional drain, we use the Flow FX bonding flange, and you've seen other videos on the cool grates that we use with these bonding flanges. So this is how it looks. Can come over here and show them closer? This is not finished yet. We still have to waterproof this. We have to put our inside corners in. We have to put our banding around everything and waterproof this curb. And then we fill this with water, and then the inspector will come out and inspect it and see that it's holding water. But it's a good way for you guys to understand how we build our shower systems and what's involved with it by eliminating traditional systems that typically are very difficult to install. If you guys would like us to walk you through the process, give us a call at Nix Flooring and Design at 843-645-1649 or nixflooring.com.